what is the mindset? Thinking about how to systematically engineer growth across your business value chain over the time. So we're going to be touching on the product of your business, the operations of the business, and the marketing of the business. So the business is the product. So if you have, say, one more product, so I'm going to give a major example of one of the e-commerce giants in Nigeria. Let's use Jumia, for example, or let's use Visa, for example. Now, Visa is a business and has different products that they use in achieving their goals. One of their products is this program to be able to, train young business owners on how to scale their business. Is also a product for them. Now, how do they operate the entirety of that business? It's by, having partnerships with the communities that have their target audience, and then marketing to that target audience, and then ensuring that it goes on and on and on. So from the video that you watched initially, the lady said that they'll be launching more initiatives that would help a lot of growing business owners. So that is like the turnaround of, this is the product, this is the operations we need to do in reaching the growth into this product, and this is how we need to market, and we keep doing it on and on consistently until we've achieved our goals.